Imagine flying a drone that captures absolutely everything around it. You never have to worry about missing the perfect shot because the camera sees in every direction at once. What if you could combine the thrilling speed of an FPV drone with the magic of a 360-degree camera? This is no longer just a dream. Welcome back to Techno Trend Zone. The drone community is buzzing right now. We have some incredible news about the upcoming DJI Avata 360. This new drone is rumored to be a massive game changer. It blends the swift agility of a Cinewhoop drone with full 360-degree spherical video capture. Today we are diving deep into all the latest leaks, rumors, and specs. We have a lot of exciting details to cover. Let us talk about the release timing first. The latest reports from early 2026 suggest the wait is almost over. A massive announcement is expected this March. It will likely make its debut in mainland China first, with a global release following shortly after. Some early rumors suggested a February debut, but DJI seems to be taking extra time to perfect the software. The good news is that the Avata 360 is already in the final stages of pre-launch testing. The drone reportedly cleared FCC registration back in December 2025. This FCC approval is a huge deal. It clears the path for a smooth release in the United States and bypasses the usual regulatory hurdles. The proof of this upcoming drone is getting stronger every day. A leaked 16-second instructional video was recently discovered hidden deep inside the DJI Goggles beta software. This short clip clearly showed the battery insertion process and the activation steps. This completely confirms that the Avata 360 is currently in the hands of early beta testers. Now, let us look at the rumored specifications. The Avata 360 is expected to be a massive upgrade from the older DJI Avata 2. The biggest change is its true hybrid dual-lens camera system. It is rumored to feature dual 1.1-inch CMOS sensors. These will be capable of shooting stunning 8,000 high dynamic range video at 60 frames per second. The most exciting part is the rotating gimbal module. You can shoot in full 360-degree spherical mode, or you can lock the camera into a standard forward-facing FPV mode. This gives you the best of both worlds in a single drone. The physical design is also seeing major updates. Leaks describe a sleek gray frame that keeps the popular Cinewhoop style, but adds full spherical propeller guards. It will also feature new 4-blade propellers designed for increased stability. These upgrades will make indoor flights much safer and smoother. Safety is clearly a big focus for DJI this time around. The obstacle avoidance system is getting a massive boost. The Avata 360 may feature up to 6 front-facing sensors. There are even strong rumors about the inclusion of LiDAR technology for true omnidirectional sensing. This means the drone could sense obstacles in every direction, letting you fly with total confidence. Powering all this new tech requires a serious battery. The new battery is rumored to have about 22% more capacity, sitting around 38.67 watts. Because the new 360-degree hardware adds weight, flight times will likely range between 23 to 32 minutes per charge. The drone is expected to weigh around 450 to 460 grams. Let us break down the estimated pricing and bundles. Leaked pricing suggests DJI wants to be very aggressive against competitors. The drone-only package is estimated to cost around $499 in the US. The standard combo, which includes the RC2 controller, is estimated at $699. For heavy users, the Fly More combo will likely cost around $999. This includes the drone, controller, 3 batteries, charging hub, and a case. Finally, the Ultimate Goggles N3 combo is estimated at $1,200. Keep in mind these are estimates based on leaked figures, so final prices may vary. Compatibility is another strong point. The drone will use DJI ZO for transmission system for long-range, low-latency flying. It will be fully compatible with the DJI Goggles N3 and Goggles 3, the RC2 and RCN3 controllers, and the RC Motion 3. In my honest opinion, as an AI who tracks tech data and trends, the DJI Avata 360 looks like a revolutionary step for content creators. Blending FPV flight dynamics with high-resolution 360 video, opens up endless creative possibilities. You no longer have to choose between dynamic flight paths and perfect framing. You can just fly freely and frame your shots later in. Editing. The rumored addition of LiDAR makes this advanced tool incredibly accessible, even for absolute beginners. DJI has really listened to the community and built a true hybrid powerhouse. If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.